This is Rohan, and today I am going to show you how to screencast your mobile phone to a laptop with Windows 11 running on it. So let's begin. Firstly, you will need to connect both the devices to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, go to Settings, select System, scroll down, select Projecting to this PC. Now, select Optional Features. Now you select View Features. Now scroll down and you will get a feature called Wireless Display, which is 2.49 MB in size. Select it and click Next. When you click Next, installation will begin. Kindly wait until it is installed because sometimes Microsoft servers are very slow. After it is installed, check in Install Features and you will find Wireless Display. Now close down the settings window. Now, in the search bar, type Connect. An app called Connect will open. Kindly open it. Now your Windows laptop is ready to accept Screencast from your mobile phone. Now, in your mobile phone, select the Screencast option. Your phone will now display the name of the laptop. Select it and voila, your phone's display is projected to your laptop. Thank you guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, please write in the comment section.